Hey guys, this is Cyril, and in this video I will show you how to find profitable arbs on Walmart using arbiMate. Now, at any given time, there are hundreds of thousands of products being sold on Walmart. Maybe like even 200 or 300,000, maybe even half a million products are being sold on Walmart at any given time. And the percentage of arbitrages is, of course, low. It's not like you have a million tons of arbitrages, like every product is not an arbitrage. And that is why arbitrage marketing is hard. And that's why we made arbiMate to simplify finding arbitrages. But you have to use your brains to get to the arbitrages. For example, if you look into toys, for example, I'm taking the first category inside of Walmart and just scrolling down, and you decide that you want to go with the maybe the sponsored products or the first set of 10 products you get. Like I'm gonna take some random 3 products like this, and I'm gonna use arbimate's check arbitrage facility to check the URL for arbitrage. This is the first product, and there's no arbitrage here. Let's take the second one, and again no arbitrage. Let's take the third one, again no arbitrage. So are you going to be disappointed? Would you believe that there is no scope for finding arbitrages, or no scope for discovering arbitrages using arbimate, or arbitrage marketing is not for you? Well, I'm going to show you something interesting. Arbitrages are not on the front page of Walmart or in the top of any categories, because if it was like that, then it would be a business that would not even be a business, because everybody could have done it, right? But you see that it's a business and it requires, some kind of investigation and work. And let me tell you how you could do this. Now, mostly I teach, this entire strategy in the masterclass that we have, but I do want to share with you today how simple it can be to find good quality arbitrages, even if you don't have any training. But if you're watching this and if you're interested in learning how to be an arbitrage marketer, I do recommend that after you get arbimate, you also get our masterclass, which will show you in detail from scratch to finish how to be an arbitrage marketer, how to find arbitrages, how to list them on Amazon, how to get approved on categories. All of these things will be covered, but we'll come to that a little bit later. Now, what I want to do is go into the top category. Don't go for the top product. Think about the category. Then look for products that are not right there at the top, right? Because everybody has done them to that already. For example, right over here, you can see these 4 products, and you can see it's a 4.95 product. So let's click on this one. Let's check it out. Let's take the URL, go back to arbitrage, arbimate, paste it here, and click on search. No arbitrage on this one. So let's go back to this one. Here's another product, and take the URL, come back to arbimate, and search. And voila, we have a $2.81 arbitrage right over here. And if you put this product on sale on Amazon, you're going to get that much money. It's a UPC match, which means that the product is an exact match. So similarly, what you want to do is not look for the top products. You got to delve into the category. You got to go inside and find products. Of course, it's going to take more than 20 searches. And if you're going to spend 20-25 searches just looking at the top of the category, you're never going to find arbitrages. Arbitrage marketing is about finding hidden product. It's about delving deep into categories and finding stuff that you can use. And I'm going to show you something golden that we have inside of arbimate. It's a feature that's in the pro version, so it's not available to you if you are in the elite version. But if you are somebody who wants to save this time, who wants to cut down this time to the bare minimum, you can use the search category feature. That's the pro feature of arbimate. Then you won't even have to delve into the categories, do a deep search. What you can do is just paste the category URL and click on refresh searches. arbimate is going to search the entire category, and it's going to find the products continuously, and it's going to tell you how you can find a profitable arbitrage. So usually you can do things a lot faster when you have category search. So the category search is still on, and out of the bunch of the products that it checked, it has found one positive arb that's nearly a $4 arb. And you can see the price difference between Amazon and Walmart. So it's a profitable arb. Now, the big thing is you can do this manually, of course, without any problems using the check arbitrage feature. And doing 20 or 25 or 100 searches is going to take you less than 10 minutes. In fact, doing 100 searches is going to take you less than 10 minutes. So you can perfectly validly find arbitrages using the check arbitrage feature too, manually too. And if you want to speed it up, you can use the search category feature too. So it's totally on you how you want to do this. If you want to be more hands-free, go for the pro version and get the category search and find arbitrages without doing anything. Or if and definitely if you want to be a pro quality arbitrage marketer, go for my training. This is just one of the gems from the training that I have revealed to you on Facebook today, free of cost, so make use of it. But for more detailed arbitrage marketing secrets, definitely go for the masterclass, which is an upsell on the arbimate launch.